Hey guys, welcome to another segment of Bicyclette Talk, which we call Kape at Iba Pa. Okay, just an intro of Kape at Iba Pa. It's all about the cyclist. Nothing about cycling. Pwede naman, pero it's about a cyclist. It's all about him, but not like the usual podcast we have na we talk about his gears, his experience in cycling, etc.
Oh, tsaka normally yung podcast natin, we have one or two guests.
Yeah.
Diba?
So,
ito, actually ito naman dapat yung gist talaga ng podcast namin before.
Yeah.
Walang guest.
Walang guest,
Usap lang about anything in general.
by the way, pakilala tayo. Ako si Nong,
Dondi.
and we are an our guest host, si Mon.
You've
Yes.
seen him in the previous episode.
Yes, and you'll be seeing more of him in the coming episodes. Kaya nga guest host eh. Pag pwede siya, game. Pag may trabaho, siyempre, unang priority, trabaho.
Hindi kaya mas
diba?
magandang tawaging ghost host, hindi guest host. Kasi dahil palitaw-litaw lang.
Oo nga, ghost host.
Ghost
Iba yung
host.
dating eh, no?
Oh, very in.
In yung ano eh.
Timely, no?
Baka nga lumayari tayo
Ghost
doon.
host. Yeah. So anyway, you were saying, yung podcast
yun,
natin talaga is...
Yung podcast natin was supposed to be tayong tatlo ni Wally, kwentuhan. Nagkataon lang, ang dami natin kakilala. Sige, interviewin muna natin. Sila muna.
Tama.
Diba? Pero there are gonna be times like this na tayo lang. I mean, it's a channel for us to talk.
Yes,
And,
anything under the sun.
Anything under the sun.
Under the sun.
Oo.
By the way, speaking of the sun, we are in Nacoa Breakwater Grounds, Parisok. Some they call it, some they call it Airwan.
Breakwater.
Bottom line is, it's the breakwaters. Ayan po ang, makikita nyo, ayan po ang Ross Boulevard, Manila Bay.
Ako medyo nostalgic ako kasi 10 years down the line, hindi natin alam kung meron pa nito o isasara or what.
Yes,
diba?
yes, tama.
Correct. So habang meron pa, this is the area of choice namin, Ayala at saka to.
Yes, make the most out of it habang nandito
Habang
pa.
nandito pa.
Correct.
Oo.
Kasi for all those who are listening, kasi we also put this on Spotify.
Right.
They don't see, they can hear us. Although may video din sa Spotify. If you checked it out.
Right.
Kasi we're right now sitting behind the store here, yung Tender Juicy. And then we're facing the bay, two big boats and the ocean. And before, meron doon, kaya tinawag na Parisok, yung dulo niyan, meron parang bilog na Parisok. When you search Parisok in Google, it's a roundabout in English.
Okay. Roundabout.
Rotonda. Parang
Rotonda.
ganun. Yes.
In Spanish.
Meron doon, bilog, na pag tumayo ka doon, kita mo na yung end ng MOA. Kita mo yung end dito. It was good. Inayos na sementado to hanggang doon. I don't know, sinira kasi may dredging.
Oh.
Ayan tayo, no? Okay. Nakakatawid na dyan ng kotse ngayon eh. Meron kotse na dyan
okay.
pumapasok, mga engineers.
Ngayon, hindi nyo si Raymond, kababata ko yan. So, I am now 51 and I've known him since I was 6 or 7 years old. Which means, may dinosaur pa nun, hinahabol pa namin yun. So, ganun na kami katanda.
Mismo.
Oo. So, some of the things we say are specifically Gen X kasi doon kami lumaki.
Correct.
'Di ba? We apologize if hindi makarelate yung Gen Z tsaka millennials, but it's not because we're not including you. It's just that doon kami nabuhay eh. So bear with us. We'll try to make it as cross-generational as possible. Pero I think you will forgive us if we focus on kung kailan kami lumaki, yung panahon kung kailan kami lumaki. So I recently posted dun sa wall ko ng footage of a guy na naka-play bike jumping 8 to 10 cans of yung drum.
Right.
Walang helmet.
Correct.
Unsafe yung bike. So gano'n kami dati. Kapag kami dati magbabike around the village, hindi kami yung naka-helmet, hindi kami, tsinelas lang yan. Tsaka, putya, pag mauho kami, may mga hose. Di ba? Oo, o kaya makikiinom sa kapitbahay. O ice tubig nagtagpipiso na lasang isda. Dahil kung saan yung plastic ng ice tubig, nandun din yung bangus.
Nandun yung bangus.
Oo,
nandun
diba?
yung tilapia.
Kaya, yun. Those were simpler times. Diba?
Correct. Simpler times.
Pero,
simpler times.
talagang di namin kayang ipagpalit eh. Because, yan na.
Yan na.
Yan naman talaga yung
I
ano
hope
ng bike ko eh.
I hope you don't mind putting it top of your bike.
Walang kaso yan.
Yan, okay. I'm back?
So yun, balik na sinong.
Yes, I'm back. Sorry. Kinabit ko lang po yung logo
Oo.
ng podcast natin. Nakalimutan ko kasi. By the way, it's a, what today? It's a Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon, 12:55. And this is Bicicleto.
Oh, sige lang.
Dali
Oo.
Excuse me lang.
Meron.
May tumawag.
Sige.
Oo.
Sige,
Ganun
sige.
talaga. It's a raw podcast.
Yeah.
Shit happens.
Yeah, tsaka for the, not for anything, ako lagi kong proud ako sabihin na it's an outdoor podcast.
Oo.
Kasi diba, again, kung kwento ko dito na narinig naman natin na usually ang mga podcast nasa indoor, sa studio.
Controlled environment.
Ito hindi controlled. Raw, di ba? Wala hindi scripted.
Oo.
Walang,
Tsaka walang multiple takes.
wala.
Kasi wala. Sorry, again, Gen X trait. Wala kaming patience for multiple takes.
Yes.
Nope. Oo.
Okay na yun, raw. Para real, di ba?
Like I always say, diba? As we go along, we learn. We adapt
Yes.
new things.
Yes.
We keep the best practices, pero we will always be raw and outdoor.
Yan.
Oh, pagpasensya niyo na yung audio, ganun talaga eh.
Di,
Nasa
pero
labas
no,
kami.
Actually, it's a good, after watching the last episode, ang ganda ng audio natin,
Oh,
pare.
di nag-ano siya, nag-evolve na tayo.
Nag-evolve talaga
Oo.
para tayong no?
And I'm back.
Yeah.
Again, wala si Wally. Wally, we wish.
Wally!
Wally! Oh.
Wally, kung nasa ka man naroon, enjoy your time being the bunso, right?
Yeah.
He's with his sister eh.
Oo.
Right.
Now, yes. So they're spending quality time with his sister. Gano'n mo si Wally, gusto maging bunso nun eh.
Correct.
Kahit medyo lakpas na sa kalendaryo. Okay, anyway. Okay lang, Wally. No offense. We're just having fun here. Ngayon, since our segment is about kape at ipapa. Teka lang, gusto yung kape? Bibili ng kape?
Mamaya na.
Mamaya magkakape tayo.
Oo.
Kasi nga, kape at iba wala tayong kape. Gusto ko rin magkape. Anyway, ang kakausapin natin ngayon, si Dondi.
Oo,
Dondi.
nag-volunteer akong guinea pig eh.
So now, Dondi. Hindi, pero hindi naman to about bikes eh.
Hindi, it
Pwede
will,
na ba?
it will
Pwede na,
eventually lead there because yun naman talaga yung ano ko ngayon.
Kabagay. Oo, tama
Focus
nga
ko
naman.
ngayon eh.
So Dons, as you mentioned, you're 51 years old now.
Yeah.
Yes. Saan ka tubo? Saan ka pinanganak? I mean, which part of the Philippines?
Ano ako? Born and raised Parañaqueño.
Parañaqueño. Yes, the
Oo.
South.
Sa South. Kasi after the war, my grandfather on my father's side was, tubong Dunggalo sila.
Okay.
Yung dun sila, nagstay after the war.
Okay.
And my grandfather was one of the first air traffic controllers.
Carillos, ha?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oo. And then, they were granted land dun sa may Pasay called Don Carlos Village.
Okay.
And doon na lumaki si Papa.
Okay.
And then when he got married, he found a lot. It's a Better Living where
Better
Juan
Living.
and I grew up.
Pero hindi pa better living nung araw yan.
Better
sure.
Living.
Better
Better
living.
living
I
na.
mean, before, better living na tawag noon.
Better
Yes,
living na
yes,
talaga siya.
oo.
In fact, may gate pa nga yun eh.
Oo.
Kung saan yung SM Bikutan ngayon.
Oo.
May gate yan.
Yun. Gated yun.
Doña Soledad was never a public road before.
No.
Yes,
Private
yes.
subdivision yan.
Yung time natin na pumupunta tayo sa inyo, wala pang SM nun eh.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Wala
yun
pa.
eh.
May gate
Wala
pa yun.
Oo,
May
wala.
gate pa yan. Tsaka wala pa yung fast track.
Wala pang
pang
fast
lusutan
track.
papunta
Wala pa.
multinational.
The first time I stepped into Better Living was 1988.
Hmm.
Ah.
May classmate ako na taga doon.
Mm-mm.
Drummer ng Dahong Palay.
Okay.
Si Derek, periodiko. Yeah, hi Derek. So, yun. So anyway,
Remember yung Mercury, kung saan tayo nakita ngayon?
yung malaking Mercury.
Oo. Walang road pa diretso.
Wala.
Diretso.
Bukid
Yan.
yan. Bukid yan.
Parang,
Pilapil yun.
Oo, pilapil yun. Doon ako nanguhuli ng gagamba nung araw. Oo.
Tama.
Yun.
Ayun.
So, born and raised Parañaqueño.
Until now, you're still there, di ba?
Yeah, I'm
And
still there.
Ilan kayo magkakapatid?
Apat kami. So, I'm the eldest.
Okay.
Tapos, dalawang babae ang sumunod. Tapos, yung bunso namin. Lalaki rin.
So, lahat sila nag-aaral pa?
No, lahat na. May pamilya.
Talaga?
Oo. Kasi, I'm 51.
51.
Yung sumunod sa akin is 49.
Okay.
47.
Okay.
And 46.
Hindi nagkakalayo. Akala ko kasi minsan may magkakapatid na
Oo.
51. Tapos bigla ito, 30 plus. Di ba, 20 plus. Sa'yo hindi kayo nagkakalayo.
Hindi. Tsaka yung
Kami
tatay
yun.
ko, ang galing magplano. Ang galing magplano yan.
Yeah, di ba?
Oo.
Baby boomer.
Tapos, ang nakakatawa, doon sa kalye namin, where, parehas kaming kalye,
Until now.
Oo, hindi. Well,
Hindi,
wala
Ikaw,
na.
wala ka na doon eh.
Pero,
Every single family had at least 2 kids.
At least 2.
Ay, si Michelle, one lang.
One.
Diba? And everyone grew up at the same time.
Yeah.
Kasi sabi mo kung magpapatintero kami, buong
Mismo.
kalye. Walang matatapos eh.
Oo.
Parang isang malaking pamilya yung kali nyo.
Yeah.
Oo.
You have a call?
Nope.
Okay lang. So now, yeah, that's a family thing. And saan ka nag-aral nung primary, high school to college?
Ano ako, from kinder to senior high, CSA, Makati.
Makati SA. CSA Makati. So parang di pa traffic nun, ano? O
No.
traffic na talaga nun, ano?
Nakakatawa doon, susunduin kami ng school bus.
Oo.
Hindi aircon yung school bus.
Okay.
And from where I live
Yeah.
to San Agustin was 20 minutes.
Okay.
20 minutes.
30 minutes lang, no?
Oh, susunduin na yung mga tao,
Oo,
yung
marami.
kasama ako. Hindi
Oo.
ako yung huling sinusundo.
Yes,
One of
yes.
the first ako.
Oo.
Tapos, makakarating kami sa school, I had like 45 minutes to spare before my class.
Wow.
So, ganun ka-decongested ang area
Correct.
nun.
Like, kasi dati, di ba, kwento, meron ako sa BF Homes nun eh.
Right.
Pare, like yung time na kasama ko sila Pauline dati, pare, I have to leave like 6 o'clock to get to the 9 o'clock shift.
Ay, wala na nun.
Oo.
Grabe
Wala.
na nun.
Grabe
Panahon
na
na yun.
nun.
And
90s na
this
yan
is
eh.
where yung me going back to cycling comes to play. It will later. It will lalabas yan mamaya.
Tapos nag-college ka na,
College, UST muna.
UST.
UST didn't like me, so they threw me away.
Wow.
Tapos doon na ako sa CSB.
CSB.
Yan.
Then, throughout yun. Then when did cycling came to the picture?
Yan, influensya nito. I was about
Manlalason.
Lalason.
I was about what? 10 ako noon, 'di ba? Sa 13 ka noon eh. Sila
Okay.
nauso nung panahon namin yung Bagets tsaka
Yes.
Ninja Kids. And there were scenes in
Yes.
Bagets and Ninja Kids
Ninja.
na naka-BMX tsaka playbike sila.
Ninja Kid specifically.
Oo.
Correct.
And they were nagano yan eh, nag-trickle down yan sa mga suburbs. Sa
Yes.
suburban kami, hindi
Yes.
kami inner city boys eh.
Yes, oo, tama.
So, marami kami space para mag-rampa, mag-stuff.
Yeah.
Di ba? I never had a BMX.
Yeah.
Yung una ko was trike.
Oo, tatlong
And
gurong.
then, yung bike na Columbia na may trainer wheels pero fixed.
Oo.
Fixed yun eh.
Pareho tayo doon.
Oo. Columbia na kulay green na puta ilang beses ako sumemplang nalitik na yun. And then, I had a next door neighbor namin, yung mga Villar, si Nestor. Remember him? di ba?
Yes.
Nestor Villar. He had a maroon step-through bike
Yeah.
na yung pang lady bike
Yeah.
na Japan at size 20.
Mm.
Naka-banana seat yon, and then kasi parang he took me in as a younger brother. Ako wala akong kuya. So
Oo,
parang kuya-kuyahan yan. Iba-bike niya, magpapaalam yun sa parents ko. Sasama ko si
Dondi.
Dondi. So he would bike, andun ako sa harapan.
Oo.
Step through, kaya nakaganan ako.
Yeah.
Ikot kami ng sukat niyan.
Wow.
Oh, and then when
Likodan sukat.
when they grew tired of it, pinamana sa akin yung bike.
Okay.
So like I said in the previous episode, ang laking sa akin, amor sa akin ng step through
Step through na bike,
na bisikleta.
yes.
Na hanggang ngayon sobrang I recommend it as the go-to bike pagka gusto mong mag-city biking lang,
Oo.
errands,
Oo,
shopping.
oo.
Bike to work ko
Oo.
from 2014 to 2020 before the pandemic,
Oo.
step through.
Okay.
Unang-una, hindi nakawin.
Oo.
Pangalawa, pag nag-stop sa traffic light, bababa lang ako.
So, bigutan ka na uwi. Saan ka papasok nun?
Makati.
Wow. So, bigutan tapos service road, kaliwa. Yung side ng UPS, pag gano'n, dire-diretso.
Dalawa.
Oo.
Depende kung gusto ko mag-ensayo
Oo.
at gusto ko rumekta.
Yeah, oo.
Pag rekta, dahil
Oo.
ako San Valley,
Yes.
shortcut, Annex 35 San Valley,
Yes.
service road,
Yes.
gate 3,
Yes.
Pasong Tamo Extension,
Yes. Dire-diretso
tumakati na.
Tama.
Mhm.
Oo.
Kung gusto ko naman mag-ensayo, likod, multinational,
Layong ensayo talaga eh.
Oo.
Ay, layo.
Tapos, EDSA,
Oo, yun.
and then cross, papasok ako doon sa may bangkal.
Oo.
Oh, yes.
Ano ba
Basta.
yung Cabrera?
Oh, Cabrera.
Yan. Tapos bangkal,
Yes. Pasok
cross ng Osmeña. Ayun na. Yun.
Siya.
Oo.
Grabe,
Ensayo.
parusang ensayo eh,
Oo.
no?
Tapos saka mamachari ako, di ba? Yung step-through na bike.
Right.
Di ba?
Pero relax.
Relax.
Oh, chill.
Kasi
chill.
commuter bike talaga.
Oo.
So, yun.
Yung naalala ko, it when I was commuting, bago akong bumalik sa cycling, it would take me an hour and a half. Kasi sa UV Express, mag-aantay pa
Correct.
mapuno.
Oo.
Ito, 45 minutes. The guard at that time was good. Was nice enough na, Kuya, merong paliguan dyan sa likod. Yun yung ginagamit namin.
mention mo nga yata yun eh. Di ba tinanong ko sa'yo, di ba mahirap kasi problemang, ako ang issue ko, pagdating ko sa opisina, pawisan ka eh. Di ba? Parang, paano kung harap ka sa kliyente or whatever, di ba?
Yeah.
So, nung sinabi mo sa akin yung may liguan kayo,
Wala
wow.
na, oo.
Oo.
And ito pa, it got to a point na hindi ko na kailangan maligo ng yung
Full body.
half na lang.
Oo.
Kasi, hindi na ako pinagpapawisan.
okay.
Nung nasanay ka na, wala na.
Meron na adapt na ng body mo yung truck mo.
Except nung summer na talagang
sobra.
kumukulo. Diba? Pero pag ganito, yung makulimlim,
wala.
wala pawis yan.
Kasi ako when I go to work, di ba, pag on-site ako, bike to work ako eh.
Okay.
Pag work from home, di ba? Minsan hatid. Ako when I get to work, bawal lang ako yung t-shirt, kikay-kit. Ang basa ng pause naman hanggang dito eh.
Oo.
So when I get to the office, palamig ng konti kasi aircon kagad sa ABS eh.
Correct.
Pasok kong banyo, doon akong papatuyo. Hilamos, ng sabon, mukha, pati ng t-shirt. Pero doon pa rin yung body temperature eh.
Right.
Kapag dating ko sa office, mainiinitan pa rin ako. I have to turn on the fan. May fan ako na USB.
Oo. Sa part ko naman, I didn't have any problems kasi putang ina, ito na yung ulan eh, no?
Oo.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Malapit na.
Okay.
Cut muna tayo.
Cut muna tayo.
Sige.
Cut muna tayo.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
I'll be back.
Ano? So, we're here right now. Walang mic pero mic lang given. Si Mon, si Dondi. Umulan eh, di ba? So, mamaya pag tumigil na yung ulan, pupulit tayo doon.
Correct.
Kumbaga, pinakita lang namin yung in-between takes. Yan, si Dondi yan, si Mon. Pawala na yung ulan, ayan, medyo lumilinaw na yung sky.
Nagiging blue na ulit.
Tapos we're gonna get back sa ating podcast. We're using the camera audio now, so medyo hindi iba yung bato.
Yan, nakikita mo na yung mga building.
Yes, kanina hindi.
Haze lang lahat yan. Saka the droplets are getting weaker.
Yes, that's true. Diyan kami nakupo kanina during the vlog, the podcast. Konti pa.
Yan, pwede na mag-expensive siya.
So with that, it is the continuation of our podcast.
Oo, wala
Yan.
nang ulan.
Umulan
awa ng
kanina.
Diyos.
As you see kanina, may in-insert tayong clip kanina, yung umuulan.
Oh, pero ano, di ba?
Yung background
Ganyan yung
music
raw
natin.
eh. Sabihin nila, kung hindi mangyayari yan, kung nasa studio tayo. Pero ito yun eh.
Yes.
Di ba, we capture everything from the elements. Eh, di ba?
Galing talaga niya, no?
Multi-talented.
Coach Mon.
Oo.
Yes.
Yun, pinakanta kaya tumigil yung ulan.
Yun. Alam nyo, mag-comment lang kayo sa baba if you want to see the video
Oo.
of Coach Mon singing.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oo.
Comment na, pare, guys, comment na kayo sa baba kung gusto nyo. Pag may nag-comment dyan na I want to see Mon Latin Choice.
Ganon, ganon.
Ito. Bare minimum tayo.
Oh.
Umabot ng 10 comments yan.
10 comments.
10 comments.
Yan.
Oo.
10 comments na you want to see Coach Mon singing the song kanina.
Oo.
Ipopost natin sa ating channel yung
Oo.
Patay
music
tayo
video
dun.
niya. Wala kang
Budol yan, pare.
bro, wala kang no choice.
Oo.
Ayun. So, for those who are listening, we're still in the Breakwaters area. Umulan lang, kaya nag-skip lang tayo ng few minutes. And for those who are listening, we are in the middle of, the
Breakwater.
Breakwater Bay Area. Tapat ng Manila Bay, Ross Boulevard. The skies divided into two, darkness and the blue skies.
Yung blue
Correct.
skies lumampas na yung yung ulap ng mga mabibigat. So
Kaya nga nang sabi ng Nelson, after the rain.
Yeah.
Yan.
After. Bro, ito not for anything. Pag naririnig ko Nelson, ikaw naalala ko.
Yun lang.
Pare.
Nelson, di ba kambal?
Nelson Twins.
Oo.
Nelson Twins, tara.
Anak nung Nelson nung 60s.
Willie Nelson.
Willie Nelson.
There you go.
Anak yun?
Oo.
Yun ang
Yung
I learn
After
something new every
the Rain
day.
At saka
Wala.
yung I can live without your love and affection.
Love and affection.
Yes.
There you go.
Kasi yung time na yon, yung time na nakilala ko si Mon.
Yun.
Ito yung lagi ko sinasabi. So, to everyone who cares to listen, ako mas gusto ko pag conversations with people older than me.
Yeah.
Kasi gusto ko yung ako yung natututo.
Correct.
May
Alam ko gusto mo,
natutunan.
ikaw yung feeling bata.
Hindi.
Parang si Wally, no? Si
Yun,
Wally.
di ba?
Si Wally, feeling bunso ngayon eh.
Oo, two parts kasi yan eh. Yung pagkasama mo, mas matatanda sa'yo, you impart knowledge.
Yes, true.
When you're with people who are older than you, then you gain knowledge. If you refuse to do that, mali mo na yan,
Hindi,
di ba?
I totally agree. Lalo pagkasama sila, Kuya Jeff,
Yan.
sila
Oo.
Mayor. Si Kuya Jeff kasi we'll guess him soon. I talked to him na last week.
Oo.
Tatawa-tawa lang siya pero wala siyang choice.
Kailangan
Kuya Jeff,
yan.
wala kang
Oh,
choice.
sorry, Kuya Jeff.
He's nung 80s cyclist talaga, karerista.
Ayun yung maganda doon eh.
Oo.
Nakakatuwa yun.
Until now, kaya rin niya yun. Yung lifestyle ng pagiging siklista, kahit di na siya
Ito may confession ako kay Kuya Jeff eh.
Oh.
Nung I was starting out, na tumatambay na ako, 2-ecom pa dati.
2-ecom, yes, yes,
2-ecom. Lagi ko sinisipat yung bike ni Kuya Jeff. Kasi
Yes.
alam ko may dunong.
Yes.
So ano kaya yung, oo nga, maganda yung design
Yes.
element. Ito, gagayahin ko ngayon.
Correct.
Hanggang ngayon.
Oo, hanggang ngayon.
Oo.
He knows what he's doing.
Oo.
Right.
Pare, siya yung nag-customize ng bike niya. Minsan yung pula niyang bike na,
Serota.
yun, yung Serota, minsan 5-speed. Minsan 8.
Minsan single.
2x. Minsan single.
Mm.
Siya lang gumagawa. He knows
wow.
what he's doing.
Right.
Tapos may kwento pa siya, medyo excerpt natin ng konti. May one time na nag-uusap kami dyan, hindi ko ma-record. Gusto ko sana i-record para mapasok sa vlog ko eh. Kasi wala may nagpapatugtog. Ang kwento niya dati, sila daw mga siklista. Nagpapagawa pa kay Willie Dizon. One of the first, mga famous frame builders. Nung 80s, 70s. Ang gawain pala nila, bibili sila ng tubo kay Auntie Rose.
Yep.
Rayon. So, mga Columbus. Pati yung mga, tawag doon, yung mga lugs. Yes.
Lugs. Oo.
Tapos pakakabit doon. But, susukatan ka muna.
Oo.
Yung ginagawa ni mga ave. Pero nung araw is different. Mas more detailed yata. Yung pauupuin ka pa na nakasquat, susukatin daw yung angle na may ganyan-ganyan.
May lubid-lubid pa eh.
May ganun pa. Yung parang may triangle. Ang tawag doon?
Oo.
Wait.
Yun. May ganun pa.
Oo.
Na, kasi,
May panse.
yun. Kung makakarera si Kuya Jeff eh. So, nasa dyaryo yan. Nasa dyaryo sila nung araw. So, yung mga ganung kwento, parang ang ganda impart.
Right.
Kasi, wala naman siya na gumagawa nun eh.
Tsaka that's the reason why we start guesting people. Yung mga yan talaga, pag ginigest namin, sure yan, merong ambag yan sa cycling scene.
Very true. Then,
Oo.
yun ang aming gusto sa channel na to. Parang to let the different generations understand what cycling is before,
Right.
during, and what will be in the future.
That's
Diba?
right. Parang may, alam mo yung roots, di ba? Parang,
Yes.
Oo.
Parang ika nga niyo si Rizal eh. Ang hindi lumingon sa pinaroroonan.
Hindi marunong
pinanggalingan.
mag-bike.
Hindi marunong
marunong
mag-bike. Oh, kasi
Tama.
wala eh.
Wala. Nakakatuwa yung ganun eh. Yung may mga nostalgic
Yes.
views
oo.
ka of
Oo.
how it was.
And the younger guys would understand and know how it's it like before.
Right.
Ang dami tayong tropa dito na nag-BMX. Mamaya, mga 4, abot pa kayo ng 4. Darating sila.
Ah, okay.
They usually hang out here.
Ayun nga. Ganun pa rin pala.
Ganun pa rin.
Oo.
Tapos, mga BMX,
Mana-mana na yan eh.
BMX 80s and 90s, sila pa rin old guys, pero hindi na naka-BMX. Naka-dirt jump bike na sila.
Ayun, DJ
BMX
na.
dan,
Oo.
pero mas malaki yung gulong.
Pero we have a good following pa rin of BMX people. Sila
Yes.
Curry Harvey,
Yes.
sila Kuya Jodic Belka.
Yes.
Punta tayo, Marikina naman yun.
Marikina.
Dayuhin natin sila.
Pwede.
Yun.
Oo.
Kasi ano lang talaga, oras lang. Ang problema
Oras
nun
lang.
eh.
Oo.
Basta importante kasi outdoor.
Correct.
I mean, you were here kanina, parang we like this outdoor.
Tama.
Kasi most of the podcasts are indoor eh.
Correct.
Niyayabang namin talaga na outdoor kami. Hindi
Correct.
kami indoor.
At saka, sa akin kasi, cycling is an outdoor sport.
Yeah, precisely.
Diba?
Diba? Tama. Kaya nga, yun din sabi ng Donnie dati. Since cycling outdoor podcast
Outdoor tayo.
Tama. Oo. Na raw, unscripted, umulan kanina, tumabi tayo, di ba? Mga ganun.
Oo.
Ngayon, going back to you.
Yes.
Akala mo
Sige,
makakatakas
fire away.
makakatakas ka. So kanina we were talking about na when you get to the office, pagdating mo, yung isang guard, pinaligo ka sa likod ng sa office, whatever, di ba? Until when nangyari yon?
Hanggang nag-pandemic, di ba? From pandemic, nag-work from home na kami. And then,
So tuloy-tuloy talaga siya.
oo, every day, rain or shine.
Fuck, that's
And yung backstory niyan is, dati, asa ako sa UV Express eh.
Oo.
Trike papuntang SM Bikutan, UV Express going Makati. And then, going back, mag-UV Express ako, bababa ako ng Russia, trike going back to the house.
Hassle, no?
So,
From Russia.
From Russia. 2 events, made me go back to cycling. This was 2014. So, yung una, papunta dapat ako ng SM Bikutan, may kukunin ako para kay Ermat. Inabot ako ng lintik na 2 oras. When I could have walked the whole 4 kilometers in 20 minutes.
Correct.
Di ba? Ako
Yeah.
nung araw, gusto ko, malayo masyado yung SM para lakarin, di ba? Tapos, yung pangalawa, dala ko naman yung kotse, nutusan na naman ako, walang yan, inabot ako ng 45 minutes for a stupid errand, di ba?
Yeah.
So inisip ko, sabi ko, kung magbabike ako,
Oo.
baka mas practical.
Tama.
So I bought a second-hand mini velo na coaster brake
Uy.
na mini velo. So linis, walang
Linis, walang
kable, di ba?
problem. Oo.
I used that. Tapos, dati kasi nasa car scene ako eh.
Yes.
And I used to collect old vintage cars, Japanese cars.
Yes,
no?
yes.
Mga Sprinter.
Mm.
Meron pa akong RX3 hanggang ngayon.
So meron kang yung logo ng JR,
Oh, yan.
JE,
Yung JF.
JF.
Diba? Na dati napupulot lang namin ngayon. Yung dati, ngayon, mga 700 to 1,000 pesos na. Diba? Ang mahal. But anyway, from there, since naisip ko, tingnan mo, ang kotse. Itambak mo yan, mafa-flat. Itambak mo yan, mamamatay ang baterya. Itambak mo yan, matutuyan ng gasolina yan. O kaya hindi aandar, mapapanis. Marirehistrain mo kada taon.
Bisikleta.
According nga dun sa, nung kilala nyo si Lipuwa, si bisikleta.
Si Lipuwa.
Sa interview na, tama yung sinabi niya eh. Ang bike, isabit mo, after 10 years, ibaba mo, bombahan mo yan.
Yung
Kung
pa rin.
andun pa rin yung interior niya na matibay pa rin, langisan mo, andar na.
Andar na.
So, that began my love affair again with bikes. Kasi, nung 90s, alam ni Monto,
Oo.
tumatakas ako. Tumatakas ako.
Decades ago.
Pupunta ako ng Antipolo
Polo.
sa Padis, yung
Pucha.
downhill doon.
That's from Bikutan to Antipolo.
Hindi, yun. In fairness, may friend ako na binibitbit namin sa pick-up niya
Okay.
yung bike, no? Ang nakakatawa doon, and Mon knows, yung bike ko, lumang Huffy,
Yung happy.
rim-
Kwento mo nga,
na
happy.
rim brake,
Rim
hindi
brake,
man lang
pare.
hindi man lang
Hindi
cantilever.
cantilever.
Yes.
Diba? At this, yung itong ngayon, yung you'd be either absolutely idiotic o
But the Huffy, that's the Huffy na parang mountain bike na luma ang...
ATV.
ATV.
Walang slope.
Oo.
So parang road bike siya, pero mataba ang gulong. Yun na yun.
Okay. Kasi may nakakita ko mga Huffy nun. Parang lumang retro MTB ang dating eh. Yung may triangle na sloping.
Oo. Ito hindi.
Ito yung lumas malupa pa.
Oo.
One piece nga yung
One piece crank.
crank na yan.
One piece. Okay,
Oo.
nakaganon.
Ganon.
Tapos,
na ganon.
sobrang idol ko si John Tomac nung araw.
yes.
Di ba? Dinrap bar ko yun.
Wow.
Ginawa ang drop bar.
Okay.
Puta na, pinagtawanan ako.
Oo.
Ano yan? Anong kagaguhan niya? Only to now, it's di ba?
Yeah,
It's fashionable.
It's a gravel bike now, di
Tapos,
ba?
tanginan nyo ngayon. Sinong di ba? Sino yung improviser,
Yeah.
yung the innovator?
Trendsetter, pare,
trendsetter.
di ba?
Diba?
Ano to, 90s, right?
1990.
1990. May
Oh.
gravel bike na.
Oo.
Pang-usbong pa lang ang mountain bike nun. eh.
Sige, sino mga sa mga tumatawa ngayon, yung mga buhay pa. Di ba?
Sandali. Bibili muna ako kape. Kape. We have
Sige.
Sige.
3-in-1, okay lang?
Yes.
Five.
May sugar, para may mag-sugar naman
Kape at
tayo.
iba pa di ba?
Sige. Bibili lang ako, mag-usap nung ka na kayo, ha?
Ayun. So going back, di ba?
Yeah.
Going back, bibigyan namin kayo ng parang
Background.
visualization. Yung area na kinalakihan namin was a gated subdivision na malalaki pa ang kalye. Hindi kagaya ng mga kamelya ngayon na kikipot. Ito kasya, 4 na kotse magkatabi.
Magkakasalansan.
Malalaki yung kalye. And if I can remember, yung mga elders namin nun sa association would stage BMX races.
Correct. Gumawa sila
Kayo
ng
yan
tracks.
Kayo yan Ako hindi pa dahil...
Sila Norman.
Oh,
sila,
Norman
sila
Sablan.
Jong,
Jong. Si Jeff
Ricky.
Ofiana.
Jeff Ofiana.
Ricky Sablan. Yan yung mga napapanood ko pa yan. I was too young to participate. Pero nakikita ko, kasi one generation ahead sila sa akin Yan yung mga kuya namin noong araw. Tapos, hangang-hanga ako. Dahil, yung BMX noong araw, meron pang yan
Plaka.
Plaka.
Haro plate.
Oo, yung California di ba?
California haro
Ang
plate.
mahal-mahal na nung araw nun And then, nung nag-start na ako mag-bike, remember, Better Living only had one serious cycling shop. Yung katabi ng construction supply nila Tita Frank at Tita Grace Serrano.
Right, that's right.
Diba?
Yung katabi nun, tama.
Yun.
Mm.
Sila yung nag-provide sa akin ng disc wheel sa likod. Ano
Okay.
pa yun Parang ganyan parang tarp lang na pinatigas nila.
Na
Mas
may
matigas ng konti.
wire.
Oo, na may
Yung may
wire. May butas.
May butas para doon sa valve.
Ang reason nun is idol ko parang nga si
John
John
Tomac.
Tomac, di ba? Naka-choga disc.
Nakachongad this wheel.
Ang mahal At that time, 20,000. Di ba? Siguro sweldo na ng tatay ko yun
Correct.
At that time, di ba?
Ano kasi, Kevlar weave.
Kevlar weave.
Tsaka wala rayos. Yun yung rayos nun
Oo. Tsaka tuwan-tuwa ako yun pag narinig mo yung ganun yung tunog nun Di ba?
Correct.
Tapos, ang pinupunta namin ni Airpat kasi mas maganda yung laman, yung mga binibenta was, if you can remember, malapit sa windmill na Magallanes yung Corsa.
Corsa,
Diba?
yes.
Only to find out that the manager of Corsa nun is Kuya BDW Edwin Malyari. So Kuya Edwin, di ba, interviewin ka namin soon. Yan. I-reminisce namin yung Corsa days. Tsaka yung PAT Philippine All-Terrain
Mountain bike.
Bike. Oo, yun. Siya ang
Galing,
nun.
nakuha nila yan kasi doon sa Norba.
Na Norba.
Oo.
Ginawang PAT
Ginawan patba.
Pati yung yung logo
Yung
design
logo.
nila
Oo,
PAT
Patba.
Di ba?
Yes.
Tapos si Kuya Edwin, I never realized all this time na siya yung doon. And that also was the place kung saan ko unang na-inlove.
Thank you.
Saan ako unang na-inlove sa Klein.
Correct. Ako
Diba?
naman, in love ako sa Kestrel.
Kestrel Klein. Di ba nakasabit yung
Nakasabit
isang
doon.
Android, nakasabit yung isang Kestrel. Yung Kestrel na alala ko pa noon, gray.
Gray na...
Parang batik na
correct.
hindi mo
Tapos
maintindihan.
elevated chainstay.
Elevated chainstay.
Correct.
Tapos yung Klein Android, tuwa ako, laki ng tubing.
Diba?
Ang laki ng fork.
Correct.
May himas ko, mabait naman si Kuya Edwin. He would let me look at it, pero hindi namin maibaba. Dahil, syempre, di ba? Hindi ko na mabibilin yun
Correct.
At that time, that was, 1989, 1990. Yung Klein nun was already around 30,000 pesos.
Frame alone.
Hindi, buo na bike.
Buo na. Built bike, okay.
Naka-XTR na yun.
XT.
Sorry.
XT, wala pa XTR nun.
XTR pang racer lang. Sponsored lang ang XTR noong araw.
Correct. Parang experimental pa siya nun.
Oo. Yun. Tapos yung Corsa, doon ko nabili yung saddle ko. Kasi yung saddle ng Hafi, walang kwentang, alam mo yung generic
foam
saddle lang. Kumuha ko naman nipis-nipis ng konti. Cell Royal.
Cell Royal. Yes.
Cell Royal. Tapos, yun na, nakadisc na ako.
Yung may recycle.
Oo. Naalala ko yung preno ng Hafi.
Unidisc
pads,
yung pangalan.
Unidisc. Tapos yung brake pads. Di ba walang kwenta yung US brake pads? Kasi pagka nainitan na, nagka-crumble.
Pupulbos.
So, dun ko unang nabili yung mga Shimano na Chevron.
Correct.
Na
wala pang multi-condition nun
wala. Chevron lang.
Oo.
Yung parang arrow type na pagka kumapit, mas maganda.
Correct.
So yun, medyo lumakas na yung loob ko mag-downhill nung araw.
Correct.
Yun yung panahon na cycling was much simpler.
Correct.
Di ba?
Kasi si John Tomac nun, pare lahat ng discipline niya.
Oh,
downhill,
nag-road
cross country.
cross country.
Isang bike lang.
Oo.
Yung rally lang niya yun.
Yun.
Di ba?
Nililipat-lipat lang niya.
Nililipat lang niya.
Kasi in the age of non-sponsorship, he had one bike to do everything.
Right. Kumbaga ang tawag na ngayon doon, privateer.
Oo.
Diba? Privateer.
Gumaling ng gumaling. 'Di ba? Nung araw, hindi matalo-talo si Ned Overend . Tsaka si Thomas Frickschnitt.
Yes.
Oo, yung dalawang yan. Tapos si Tinker Juarez.
Tinker Juarez.
Oh,
yes.
friend ko sa Facebook. Yan.
Talaga, si
Oo.
Tinker.
Si Keith Bontrager and si
Tinker.
Oh, di ba? Oh, if only virtually, okay na ako doon.
Correct.
Mga legend yan. Sino ba naman ako?
Tama.
Di ba? So, yun.
So I'm back.
Ayun.
There you go.
Welcome back.
Ayun, shoot away.
Ngayon, what led you into, kasi for the other guys that doesn't know, meron siyang museum.
Hindi museum. Bodega. Bodega yun.
Why we choose to call it museum? Kasi
Ah.
ang dami niyong collections na magaganda.
Correct.
May napanood akong YouTube na finiture ka. Pero bitin eh. Bitin yung pagka-feature sa'yo nung YouTuber na yun eh.
Oo.
Diba?
Parang nakita ko.
Actually,
Ayun
they feature the bikes.
Yeah.
Pero, to be honest,
Yeah.
kaya part of the podcast ako ngayon, of course, you would want to share your experiences as
Yes.
somebody who collects and takes care of vintage and classic
Bikes.
bikes. Oo.
So, what led you to like collecting? Ako understand the logic of collecting.
Actually,
Then
it
naging-
goes deeper.
Oh,
than that.
talaga? Oh.
And alam ni Mon din to.
How?
Impluwensya ng mga magulang ko yan. My parents are antique collectors.
Okay.
So early on, when I was growing up, I learned the value na old things carry or yung value nila appreciate over time.
Yes.
So, unlike some person who would want the latest Nikes or the latest phones,
Yeah.
we all know na pag sinuot mo na yan, depreciated na yan.
Correct.
Pag nilabas mo yung telepono sa box,
Oo.
depreciated na kaagad yan.
Yes.
Hindi gaya ng bumili ka ng lumang bagay, in 10 years, that's going to at least double in value. Yun nga, nagsimula ako, old school na kotse.
Yeah.
Pero putang ina, manipit eh.
Oo.
Manipit.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry to
Yeah.
say.
Oo.
Ganda. Kung wala kang 6-digit
Oo.
salary, di mo kaya.
Hindi mo kaya.
So, ang bike, fortunately enough, and I believe this marami akong bikes. Okay, I'll have to confess, I have more than 70 bikes. It's
See?
probably closer to
See?
80.
Exactly.
See?
Okay, nasa bodega yan lahat, tsaka sa garahe sa bahay.
Yeah.
Pero, none of those bikes, zero, I bought at full price. I believe that if a bike or if something valuable wants to be owned by someone,
Mm-mm.
sila ang magpapakita sa'yo. And true
Yes,
enough, ganun
true.
ang nangyayari.
Mm-mm.
Karamihan ng bike ko, barn find.
Yes.
And the rest is through a good friendship with a friend in Italy. So shout out Kuya Louie Gorospe.
Uy.
Si Kuya Louie is an ex-Gintong Alay cyclist
Okay.
na from, I think, vegan nung araw, tapos Pangasinan.
Yes.
So talagang batak, di ba?
Itong alay.
Oo. Michael Kiyon.
Oh.
Michael Kiyon.
Mm-mm.
And he moved to Italy. He immigrated there. He's now a citizen, permanent resident na yun eh.
Mm-mm.
What he does is, manager siya or supervisor ng mga company that clean up old houses. Yung mga, ito, nabenta na to, kailangan ligpitin lahat ng, or linisin lahat ng loob niyan.
Oo.
Inadvertently, he will find the bike. Hilig niya, siklista yan eh. And, hanggang sa napuno,
Yeah.
yung bodega rin niya dun sa Milan,
Mm-mm.
he started dagupan retro bikes
Okay.
with another good friend, si Nico Rama.
Mm-mm.
So, over the course of time, sinabi niya, bakit hindi tayo mag-ano sa Manila? So, he started sending bikes to me. And ganun yung reason kung bakit pumutok ng ganun yung collection sa bahay.
Okay.
So, when I say collection, hindi kami yung random na basta't kung ano lang.
Oo.
Diba?
Oo. Chosen.
So, for a bike to earn its spot or its roster dun sa lugar namin, it has to be unique. It has to be quirky.
Yeah.
And it has to be obscure.
Yes.
So, wala akong Colnago, wala akong Bianchi. For the reason na when you want to go into the bike hobby,
Yeah.
tapos medyo may pera ka, unang isip mo, kuha akong Colnago, kuha akong Bianchi.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm veering away from that because there are so many bikes
Yes.
that have a history that need to be shown.
Yes.
So yun yung sa akin. So would I say it's a museum? Maybe for people who, who value
Yeah.
the same as mine na gusto ko makita obscure. I wanna go somewhere beyond Colnago and Bianchi.
Yes. Oo.
Yun. So, and I like explaining the quirks and idiosyncrasies of the bikes that
Yeah.
I have. Kasi, alam mo yun, may na-impart ako.
Correct.
And if one person learns from me, I consider that, a successful venture.
Correct.
No,
Diba?
In your collection, you have favorites naman.
Oo.
Like,
Yeah.
how many do you have favorites?
Siguro kung sabihin natin 70 yung bike, mga 69.
Isa lang talaga eh.
Hindi, totoo to. Ito
No.
yung namin, partnership namin ni Kuya Louie, we have the intent of selling also. Ang problema, parehas kaming kolektor. So pag nag-send siya ng 10 bike, yung 8 itatago. Yung 2 baka sakaling ibenta.
Baka sakali
Oo.
pa.
Baka sakali pa.
'Di ba? So ganun ka hirap. Pero eventually we will.
Nice.
We will, no? Kasi we have to as a custodian,
Yeah.
you have to make sure that the bike is original
Oo.
enough na
Yes.
pagka ipinasa mo yan sa nakakaintindi at magmamahal sa bisikleta, hindi niya rin babaguhin.
Oo.
He doesn't need to.
Yes.
All he needs to do is take care of it. Oil, yung perishables, gulong,
Tama,
bar
tama.
tape,
Oo.
saddle. Yun lang.
I heard si Glenn. Si Glenn Encarnacion. He has a couple of bikes from Francis Makabayan.
Yeah.
I think is finding time to bring it to the museum.
Yun.
Sorry, museum ang talaga tawag ko
kasi si Kiko,
Oo.
if he was still alive, God rest his soul, alam kong marami kang chicks ngayon dyan sa langit. As in life.
Yes.
He would have been the first guest.
Yeah, true.
Si Francis was a guy na sobrang talentado, ibang klase yon, di ba?
His real name is Adam, actually.
Adam, oo. Si Adam.
May story ako bakit siya naging Francis Makabayan, pero iyan na natin. Oo. So yun.
si Adam, si
Yeah.
Francis.
Si Francis.
Isipin mo, stem na ordinary, crank na ordinary, uukitan niya yan.
Yes.
Wow.
Gagawin niyang filigree, tsaka yung intricate na
Yes.
So talagang ang galing. And then he would he made a frame for me.
Yeah.
Na actually, going back sa ano yung favorite bike ko, that's one of my favorite bikes, yung 8 cycles niya. Because
okay.
it's from somebody who's a friend and
Yeah.
who's no longer with us.
Okay.
Yun, i-feature natin at length
Sige,
yung bike
sige.
na yun sa Danongski Show.
Kasi meron siyang page din, Metamorphosis Arts.
Alright.
He did a few ginawa niya ako ng badge dun sa isang page ko ng about the Vespa, yung Vesparada. Ginawa niya ako ng logo na nakakabit sa Vespa ko dati dun sa leg shield na aluminum. Kamay lang yung ginawa niya.
Wow.
Ang ganda.
Di
Ngayon,
ba PW yun? PW
Yes.
yun, si Adam.
higher batch
Higher
lang kami.
batch,
Oh. Anyway, so yun. So parang, then it also does badges for other cyclists. Pare for free.
Wow.
For free.
Like minsan yung Pusa Works, hindi ko
Oo.
na naabutan. Yung ibang naka-Pusa Works, ginawa niya. Hindi ko naisip na, bakit hindi ako nagpagawa?
Oo nga, no?
Meron akong belt buckle galing sa kanya. Campagnolo.
Ampal nyo.
Oo,
wow.
Diba?
So talagang ganun siya
Sayang
Taga
eh.
P-dubs din pala.
P-dubs yun.
Pero later batch, tambay siya dito. Yan. He loves that spot.
Oh, dyan.
Diyan siya umupa sa baba ng generator.
Right.
One of my previous episodes sa Danongski Show, laman siya nun usually pag tumatambay ako dito, especially nung pandemic time. Kasi nung pandemic time, marami nang pumupunta dito eh. Marami nang siklista eh. So, diyan kami tumatambay. He even built a bike for Glenn. Yung Fixie.
Oh, yung Fixie. Pero yung
Pinaregalo.
yung Lorenzo, yung
Oh.
Pursuit is
Nasa'yo na ba?
Hindi, wala pa eh.
Iiwan niya sa yun.
Kay kay Kuya Enzong Jr. Isa
Enzong,
sa mga
yes.
i-interviewin din natin. We will go to his mansion.
Si Kuya Enzong.
Kuya Enzong, Pursuit bike yan. So,
Yes.
100% hindi ko masasakyan yan.
Tsaka pag sinakay mo, susuka ka.
Oo, susuka ka
sa
talaga.
grabe yan
Oo.
Pursuit. As in, pursuit talaga.
Super Pursuit eh.
Galing.
Subsub na subsub ka doon.
Meron pa siyang ginawa isang mini velo na Bianchi copy.
It's going to me.
Pero ang ganda.
It's going. Si Armando.
Oo. I was
Oo.
yung boy pa siya, parang inaawitan ko na parang hindi ko mapanindigan kasi syempre parang Bianchi na Copy siya, pero ang ganda ng patingin ko rin, ganda.
Gray. Battleship Gray.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
So wala, I think, punta
Alam mo kung bakit yun? Si Kuya Enzo kasi, he wanted a Bianchi. Pero all of the Lepre Bianchis made in Japan, nakakantilever yan eh.
Oo.
Gusto niya straight 105. So, kumuha sila ng donor frame that looked like a Bianchi. Repainted it in a Bianchi livery or livery.
Yes.
Ayun na yun.
Yun na yun.
And I think Kuya Enzo will, he already told me na, sige, tago mo muna.
Yeah.
So, I would want to, be the custodian for all of, Pero my philosophy kasi is,
Yeah.
di ba, you're, as a collector,
Mm.
it goes hand in hand with being a custodian.
Yes.
When you say custodian, tagabantay ka lang sa bike for future generations. Now, a lot of people, and sorry sa matatamaan, pero this is how I feel about it, and sorry, not sorry ako dito.
Yeah.
Normally, pansin ko sa collector dito, and I'm taking the quote from a good friend, si Mariano Sisdoiro, who I learned a lot from.
Okay.
Parang kuya ko yan eh. A bike should be a conservation piece and not a conversation piece. Kasi gusto ng iba,
Okay.
kailangan sobrang kintab ng titok.
Yes,
Parang
yes.
dapat hindi ginamit. Walang dents, walang dings.
Oo.
Okay.
Pero you're being unfair to the bike who came from the 60s and spent its whole life going through,
Yes.
being ridden, being
Yes.
stored.
Yes.
'Di ba? Ang sa akin, ang pang ko lang is basahan
Oo.
tsaka lubricant.
Yes.
Tapos bomba.
Oo.
Yan lang. So, I'm known around certain circles as si Mr. As-Is.
Yes. Totoo naman.
Diba? Bakit
pala-
mo?
Sorry, kaya pala nung, if I may, remember I talked to you about a friend's Fujo?
Oo.
Nung sabi mo na, wag mo nang galawin pare. Ganyan na yan.
Oo.
Kasi yung patina niyan is what gives it its
Yes.
value.
It's value, it's story, it's history.
It's story, it's history.
Ang tao kasi has the wrong notion na if I keep it in a pristine condition, I can sell it off in the future for double or triple.
Yeah.
You're not a collector pag ganun ka, speculator ka. Di ba?
Yeah,
Businessman ka lang.
Businessman ka lang.
yes.
Correct.
Tsaka, sorry to burst your bubbles, ladies and gentlemen, pero hanggat hindi ka sikat, hindi mo mabibenta ng doble o triple yan.
That's true.
Di ba?
Oo.
The best we can do is break even.
Yes,
Kung ano yung
oo.
gastos mo. So
Tama.
kahit anong ikarga mo na pyesa dyan na super ultra mega high end,
Yeah.
you can't recruit that anymore. Kasi sa kotse, doon ko natuto yan eh.
Sa kotse.
Kaya salpa ka mo ng magandang mags yan, kung kailangan mo i-pass break yan at ibenta dahil nangangailangan ka,
Wala ka no
hindi
choice.
go-consider yan.
Oo.
Sorry. Ganun
Oo.
din sa bike.
It becomes a conversation piece pag na-conserve mo siya.
Pwede rin.
Diba?
I think so.
Parang,
Oo.
like, tulad tayo, may gas-gas, may kalawang. Pag-uusap, paano na nangyari?
May kwento.
May kwento. Yung sinasabi mo story. Diba? Yung iba,
I'll give you a good example. So, yung brand na Lignano. It's a high-end Italian brand
Yeah,
na
yeah. si Mayor meron.
OA ang presyo, di ba?
Yes. So, he even sold one.
Oo.
This, dalawang ganun niya eh.
Oo. So, one day, while I couldn't sleep, mga 10 o'clock ng gabi,
Oo.
browse ako ng marketplace, lumabas. Lady frame
Okay.
na Lignano na orig-orig pa.
Oo.
And yung presyo niya, parang too good to be true.
Okay.
When I say too good to be true, yung talagang
Talagang-
kaya ng masa
Oo.
yung presyo.
Yes.
So I messaged, expecting na kinabukasan ko na mababasa. Sabi, boss, saan ang location mo? Tsaka tama ho ba yung presyo nyo?
Oo.
Opo, may bawas pa po ng konti. Dito po ako sa Valenzuela.
Yun
Anak
lang.
ng tipaklong, tinakbo ko.
Talaga.
Tinakbo ko.
Ay, okay.
When I got to the place, the traffic pa ako, punyeta ha, para haunted house.
Okay.
Ala.
Na, tapos yung seller, hard of hearing pa.
Okay.
So parang hindi kami magkaintindihan.
Yeah.
So eventually, I got it out of him that the bike was bought brand new by the sister of the guy's father.
Okay.
Ang pangalan ng matanda, Remedios.
Okay.
Matandang dalaga ito.
Yes.
She used it to bike around. Apparently, she took care of it really well. Ang ganda pa eh.
Oh.
Ang
All original paint,
Oo,
etc.
ang kinailangan ko lang palitan dun yung gulong.
Goma, okay.
Goma.
Which is well and
Oo.
tear talaga.
Yan,
So,
na yun.
the reason why they were selling it,
Yeah.
because she had, senile na,
Okay.
nag-dementia na.
Yeah.
And she was trying to ride it at nalalaglag siya kaysa mabanggok yung ulo.
Correct.
Dinispose nila.
Yes.
Literal, hindi na ako tumawad, isakay nyo na yan.
Oh.
Tapos tumakbo ako, baka magbago pa isip.
Okay.
So ganun eh. You have to you have to do or make some sacrifices
Yes,
kung
yes.
talagang and yun nga, going back to yung sinabi ko kanina, the bikes, kung talagang gusto magpaambon sa'yo, hanapin ka nila.
That's true.
Yun eh.
Then that, how do you, kasi minsan Legnano eh, di ba? Kasi may G. How do you really pronounce it?
Lenyano.
Lenya.
Lenyano.
Lenya.
Oh.
Wow.
Sa Milanti pa yan.
Oo. Nandun, nasa museum ngayon.
Andun.
Wow.
Wow.
That's I gotta see.
Fully
We gotta see
rideable.
that,
Yeah, nakuwento mo
Oo.
kasi, kinikilabutan ako.
Fully
Ganda.
rideable to. Tapos ang kulay niya, di ba yung Lenyano is yung special lizard green, parang green yellow.
Oh, parang ginto, parang gano'n, no? Nagiginto.
Parang,
ba?
oo, yung parang green na salaginto.
Yes.
Ito rose gold.
Wow.
What?
Rose gold.
Rose gold.
Binili kay Kairos
Oh.
Original.
in the 70s. Original paint. Lahat.
Siyete nun, ha?
Pati yung kadena nung binuksan ko. Original pa.
Wow.
So sabi ko nga, di ba? And it's fully rideable.
Yes.
Nailayo ko na yan.
Oh.
Kaya yun yung dun eh.
Legal.
Yung bikes, why bikes and
Yeah.
not other things?
Yeah.
Bikes are functional art.
Yes.
Nailalayo mo, nai-enjoy mo sila.
You know, guys, I'm so lucky to have known this person.
Di naman.
Tangina, parang wow, di ba? Parang, yung kanto mga knowledge.
Correct.
Wow.
A wellspring of knowledge.
It's overwhelming.
Right.
Ganda story. Na-imagine ko kasi yung kwento mo, habang kwento mo, imagine ko eh. The haunted house, how old the house is. Can imagine how old the lady is
Alam
with
mo,
the old
ito
bike.
literal, nung nandun kami sa bahay, nung titignan namin yung bike, yung floorboards ng second floor,
Oo. Ganun
sabi
na.
ko, tangina, pagka nagkamali ako ng tapak dito, hospital
Katapusan mo
tayo
yun.
dito.
Katapusan na. no?
Oo eh.
But in short, you got it.
Oo.
That's good. That's
No,
good.
di na ako tumawad.
Oo. Well, is it okay to ask how much? No. Secret.
Ano yun? Baka nunod
No,
lang
sige.
ito.
Wag na lang.
Kaya sabihin na lang natin na, di ba, I have no, sabagay, I have no intention to
No,
sell it.
it's more than 50,000?
Yung value niya, if as it sits now,
Yes.
siguro mga 35, 30, ganun.
Ah, okay. So,
Okay, I'll just say it now. I got it for 5,000 pesos.
Wow.
Oh, di ba? Ayaw mo? Di ba? Paano mo ibebenta ngayon yan? Ayaw mo ibenta sa kaibigan dahil you'll be
Oh.
overpricing.
Hindi. Ano,
Yeah.
yung ganyan, hindi na binibenta.
Hindi na, wala na.
binibenta yan.
Oo.
Kasi especially yung story mo na first hand yung babae, yung old lady.
Oo.
Kung ako sa akin napunta yan, mabubulo ka dyan ka lang.
Correct.
Ipupunasan ka, hindi kita gagamitin.
Di ba?
I mean,
Ang maganda doon,
Yan.
nagagamit.
hindi yan yung friend ko. Oh, yun nga
Nagagamit.
And the story behind it, bro.
Oo.
That's definitely.
Pag nakita mo yung bike, pare, bakit ganun lang binigay sa'yo?
Yeah, di ba? I mean, pare, pangalan pa lang.
Oo.
Kaya-
Pangalan pa lang. Kasi natutunan ko lang kay Mayor.
And you know what's nice about me being in the hobby? It's happened more than 10 times na sa akin. Yung literal na find.
Yeah.
Right.
Na, uy! Diba? And then you make friends along the way and then natututo ka kasi
Ngayon, you have another business.
Oo.
Skidia.
Yun yung bodega.
Yun yung museum.
Yun yung museum. So kaya
okay.
sorry, backstory
Ay,
yun. Yung Skidia kasi, tambay kami dun sa harap ng shop.
Okay.
So we were thinking about a name. Ano magandang pangalan natin sa shop?
Oo.
One day, yung dumadaan na batang naka-fixie converted. Na, alam mo mga batang maligalig.
Yeah.
Kada dumadaan sa siguro para mapapansin sa amin, nag-skid.
Ganyan, oo.
Tapos ito kaibigan namin, sinisigawan, Skidya! Skidya!
Ano, skid ko yan.
Pare, yan ang pangalan natin, Skidya. Yeah.
Ayun.
Which is ironic dahil we advocate safety.
Yes.
So, it's stuck.
Yeah.
Kaya na, yan na yun di ba?
Skidia.
So, Skidia. My other business is, ganun pa rin, vintage item, vintage clothing.
Yeah.
So, meron akong maliit na tindahan
Oo.
na mahiwaga. Kasi pag pumasok ka sa loob, makikita mo, uy,
Yes.
vintage clothes.
Yes.
And I'm not saying yung period correct na costume na ni Rizal. Vintage as in 90s na damit,
Yes.
di ba?
Alam ko si Wally, ang daming nakuha sa iyo.
Oo.
Ang dami kasi mga Beatles, di ba? Mga
Lumang
ganyan.
tao si Wally eh.
Lumang tao eh. Oh. Inaagiw na nga, yes pare. Miss ka na namin, Wally.
Kahit si Vez, yung tropa ni Wally, he's gotten a lot of band shirts from me.
The museum and the Skidia, isa lang pala yun. Akala ko all the while, separate
Hindi.
location yun.
Hindi, kasi ang gusto ni Kuya Louie, yun nga lang, gipit kami sa space. Dahil maliit lang yung bodega, it
Oo.
could only fit too much.
Wait, is it displayed or just stacked lang?
Stocked lang.
Okay.
Wala tayong magandang mga display doon. 'Di ba? If I had money, I would dedicate a whole floor na may mga nakasabit, may mga nakasulat, may memorabilia.
Yes.
Pero sa ngayon hindi ko pa magawa, 'di ba? Who knows? Baka
Yes.
tumama tayo ng loto, tingnan natin.
Well, so far, we've reached that point. Now we have to say goodbye.
Yeah.
And that was a ride with Kuya Don, these stories. We'd like to thank Mon for ghosting our
Ghosting.
ghost
Ghost host.
Yeah, ghost.
Privileged.
Wally, yeah,
Well,
Wally.
diba, we've known each other for a combined 50 plus years, diba?
Actually, well, yeah.
Oh.
Actually,
Kayo ilan? Kasi kami, 6 years
hindi,
old pa
mas
lang ako.
matagal na kayo magkakilala. Kami, college lang,
Tayo, mga
90.
50 years na tayo magkakilala.
Hindi, 40 plus
40
naman
plus.
ako.
Oh,
46 ganun.
91, 1990.
1990.
1978, 1979, kilala ko ni Simon.
Mas matagal. So, we're in that same route
Oo.
in a way. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching
Sana
us.
hindi kayo na-bore. We'll be doing the same thing, di ba? We'll be talking about the past, the
Yes.
present, and the future.
Correct.
Pero we will try to make it as interesting for you guys as
Yes.
possible.
Again, this is the Kape at Iba Pa segment of Bisikletok.
Bisikletok.
With that, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video if you must. We are also in Spotify. Search for Bisikletok. Yun. Instagram also, Bisikletok. And Facebook. Ano, YouTube.
Facebook page,
Yes.
The Nongski Show.
The Nongski Show, yeah. It's just there sitting. Okay lang yun. Ayan.
We have Mons by Corner.
Mons by Corner.
Tapos sa akin yung Skidia
Skidia.
Speed Shop.
Yun. So, okay. Thank you very much for listening and watching. Laters. Bye-bye.
Peace.